Electronics manufacturers are under pressure to reduce the environmental impact of their products and must commit to sustainability practices. By embracing cloud solutions, they can reach their sustainable product development goals. Here are 3 ways to jumpstart sustainability with cloud technologies. First, adopt cloud solutions across your organization. Moving data processing and storage to the cloud reduces your carbon footprint and boosts efficiency. Second, ensure environmental compliance with Cloud PLM. Use a single source of truth to keep track of regulations and suppliers that impact your product's sustainability. And third, use generative design and lightweighting strategies with CAD. You can explore less weight, recycled materials, and other eco-friendly options early in the design phase. With a seamless connection to CAD and other systems, cloud-native solutions like Arena help you streamline compliance and get green designs to market faster. Contact Arena to make sustainable innovation a reality.